One of the biggest complaints in DTF is when your design feels stiff, almost like a sheet of paper. It doesn't just feel off, it looks off too. But today, I'm going to show you how to fix that using our Ultra Texturizing Finishing sheet. If you use stiff, low-quality film or a powder with a higher micron size, the results just won't compare. Our texturizing sheets work best with our system. If you use other powder or other DTF film, you may get similar results, but not exactly what you're going to see in today's video. So, how does this work? The fiberglass material found within the texturizing sheet, when paired with our low micron powder and high quality ink, makes your design more malleable, deeply embedding it into the fabric of your garment, giving you that soft, professional touch. So let's get started. With your design already printed and your heat press set with the same settings you used to print your transfer, place your texturizing sheet on the shirt and press for 5 seconds. Adjust the press time shorter or longer, depending on the desired level of texture. The texturizing sheet delivers results comparable to something like high-quality screen printing, but with the ease and efficiency only DTF can offer. You get a softer hand feel and a longer-lasting, more durable print. Our texturizing sheets come in 3 different levels. Light, for a subtle finish on thinner garments. Heavy, a great all-around option for most jobs, and the recommended entry level. Ultra, for maximum texture and softness, just like you saw here today. Choose based on your design, garment type, and desired finish. And that's how you elevate your DTF prints with our texturizing finishing sheets. Found this video helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications for more DTF tips and pro printing insights. This is Logan from DTF Power, signing out.